this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power liftgate support on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. I'm going to take the weather strip off, just grab it, just pull it out. You don't have to take it off completely, just out of the way. That's good. Now we'll grab this panel, just pull it out. There's some clips that clip into this panel. Just pop that out a little bit. We're not going to take that off completely, but we do want to take this panel off. Slide that out of the way. There's a connector right here. You want to disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab and slide that off. Using a pole jack, support the liftgate. If you don't have one, you can just have an assistant support it while you're working on it. Using a trim tool, just pop the grommet out. You can pull the wires through the connector. We're just going to pop this off. Just use a pick, get underneath here. Pop the clip off, and then you can pull it out. And over here, we're going to do the same. Just get under here with a pick, under the clip, pull the clip out, and that'll pop right off. I'll take the top, get that started. Just line this up. Lock that in place. And up here, if you have to lift the liftgate, just push it up a little bit and lock that in. Now I take the connector, I'll slide it through. You might have to get on the other side with your other hand. Try to pull it through. There you go. Take the grommet, get that lined up. Just push that in so that it's sealed properly. That looks good. And take the connector, line that up. Lock it in. Take the trim piece, slide it underneath the other trim piece. Just get that lined up. Push that in, and then get the lower cover lined up. All right, that's all lined up. I take the weather strip, just slide it in position. And just pull it over just like that. That looks good. Remove the support, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.